What we got here, son? What's going on here?
Oh yeah.
What do you got?
Tailpipe.
What are you talking about?
Oh, this we took a 55-gallon drum and we cut a hole in the bottom of it.
Oh, really? Well, how'd y'all come up with this idea?
Well, we were looking online and we were looking how expensive those tailpipes
Oh,
are. So
my goodness, they are expensive, son. Yes. I think you've done well here.
Custom one.
Oh, it is custom. You've done well. We're not having to, hey, look at there. We're not having to put out any expense on us a custom tailpipe. I like that.
We didn't even have to tag weld it.
That's very nice, man. I like that. Wow, look at that thing. What in the world? Look.
Yes, sir.
That is nice. I like that. What do we got going on right here now? What is he doing?
We had to put a bigger muffler
What?
tip.
Oh my goodness.
We had to put a bigger tip on it so it could breathe better.
Oh, I see. Well, looky there. It is making it breathe better. Look at it. I think it's got more horsepower now.
It does. And them new mirrors we put on, they had a lot of horsepower.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think it is working. Yeah, that there's gonna be.
That's some good content.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think it does have a little bit more horsepower than what it used to have. Wow, look at that thing go. Yes, sir. That's the one you was gonna get. Oh my goodness, it has blew the tip off. Oh my goodness. Our tip has come off. Oh my goodness. Wow. That thing has really got some horsepower. Oh my goodness. Well, what about the patent, son? You was gonna get a patent on that. Oh, you don't want it now? Oh. My goodness. All righty. I like that. All righty. Man, look at this. That thing seems like it's roadworthy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, he got to get back on the road. He got off the road. Yep. Truck got plenty of power. Okay, so I see he got turned around good. We're giving this thing a test drive to make sure it's going to do what we need it to do. Oh my goodness, what is he doing now? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that thing. Shoot that rooster tail. Look at that. That thing, look. Goodness, that thing got some power. Wow. Look at it go. That's a good truck. Oh, he just missed a gear. We can't have that. We're gonna have to get with him about that missing gears. Yes, sir, that thing is a nice truck. We need to get ready and take that thing to town. He's went and turned around. He's giving this thing a good test drive. We checking it out good, making sure it's good and roadworthy. Making sure it's roadworthy. Oh my goodness, yep. That thing is nice. That's a That's a nice
I
truck.
know.
It
That thing
sure is.
Powerful. It's got the power.
It sure does. Nice truck, boys. Y'all done a good job on getting that.
I think I like it.
Yeah, I
Look,
think
it's
you
got a
all
cover.
done real good.
Look, I have to keep it. That's it on me.
That's all right. If you got to sit on the feed bag, that ain't no problem. What? Well, what? Well, what happened there? My goodness.
Look, there's dirt down there.
That thing's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice on there.
Look
I
at
wonder
the
if the
part.
air conditioner works in it.
Dad! It's a horse coming down the horseshoe!
Yeah, I see that. It's nice.
Hey, Dad,
It's singing to you.
Does it work?
It's singing
Air
to you.
conditioner even works in this thing. Wow.
I think I like it. We'll have to keep it.
Yeah, this is a nice. We need to get ready, boys, to take this to town. Yes, sir. And it does have a good paint job on it. Yeah, we can get us a red paint marker and go over that.
Look, gasoline on it. Gasoline on it.
Man.
Hey, Dad!
I feel like it's pinstripe.
Yeah, I look like it. Oops.
Look at
Boy,
the
that
hole
thing-
it's leaking. Wow.
That thing sounding good.
Hey, look!
I see that. Very nice.
You did a good job.
I think this one here is gonna be a keeper, boys. I really do. Let me drive it one time and see how this is gonna do. See if I like it. I like this.
Let's go with it.
Yes, sir. See you later. Hold on, get my power.
It has just a slight little bit of smoke. Not much.
This is a nice truck. You done good on this. What's that for?
That's the park brake.
Ah.
It's the custom park brake.
Oh, they make them like that now, I guess. That's nice. Okay. All righty. Well, I guess we need to go get it washed up and get it ready for town. And I'm thinking that, you know what? You boys did do good. Y'all done good. That's,
Thanks, Dad.
yes, and so you know what? We need to get everybody to give us a like and a thumbs up on our video. We need them to subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
And you know, and we need them to see that we have a good content. Boys are going to bring them more content that's going to be coming on the way. So stay tuned. Tell them bye, boys.
Bye!